Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use sync blocks in Notion. So sync blocks are kind of like a header, but they can be a footer, they can notify. They're very helpful if you have a project, especially that you share with a team so you can communicate with each other. They're also useful if you have multiple pages. For example, you have multiple tasks as part of a project. But each task is on its own page, and you want to whether have like uplifting messages for yourself or take notes for yourself and keep track. Now I'll show you what this looks like because that's kind of abstract, and this isn't really a very common feature in most of the software we use. So in order to use it, all you need to do is do the command slash sync sync or sy, and you get sync block. So you click on that, and it will create this box for you. Now, let's just put here project status, ongoing. Typing is not great today. Ongoing and priority. And then something like, I will succeed or finish this, right? So this is the block. Now, as I said, you want to have more pages, so I'm just going to copy using Control-C. I'm going to highlight it with my mouse and then Control-C, copy it. And I will create a subpage. Now, let's see. Let's just create it here. Page, so sub page of sync block. And when I paste it here, this is here, right? Now this is the sub page, and this is the main page. I just pulled it up. So it shows you when you click on it that it's synced to the other page. And so now let's say, for example, actually these are all done. And when I go back to the other page, which is the sub page of sync block, or this one, when I click on it, this has updated. So you can dynamically go through and like, well, subpage done, and just keep track of it. And this note is everywhere; it follows you. So there are definitely some interesting use cases of just not having to have a separate page where, okay, I did this, or like, let's write comments. Now, if you have a team member, then you can make comments, or you can make comments for yourself. And also, at some point, maybe this subpage is no longer relevant. So then you can also see how many pages, which is all linked to this, and then the original, and it propagates and auto updates all the other sync blocks. But you can also unsync it by clicking on it somewhere here. And so it's the three dots on the box. You have to click on the sync box, and then left click more, and then you unsync it. And then it will be its own thing. So like if this page is already done, you unsync it, then it will not automatically update, and you can just, honestly, I think this is a little bit less useful, but there will probably be uses for that. So there you go. Hope this helps. Thank you.